Hello everyone, I'm Minjun. Now I'm going to demo my first part of assignment. I designed a rental information center, which mainly provides rental information of apartments or house. In this software, tenants can borrow the rental information on the blog and leave the message for reservation, while landlords can upload rental information for tenants to browse. The manager needs to review the rental information uploaded by the landlord and release it after confirmation, and choose wherever to delete the rental information according to the tenant's message. There is my use case diagram. I started by adding three actors. They are manager, tenant, and landlord. The landlord and tenant are both users of the software, and both belong to users. So I added an actor named user and used generalized association to connect user with the landlord and tenant. In this diagram, everyone can check the rental information. The tenant can check the rental information and then leave the message for comment or reservation to purchase the property in advance. The landlord can upload their rental information for publicity and check out or upload their rental information at any time. The manager responsible for managing the information of the information center. He can view the rental information and upload the information, update or delete the rental information. Okay, this is my class diagram. There are four classes. The rental information has 6 attributes and 4 operations. The manager has 5 attributes and 4 operations. Landlord and tenant, a relationship with user, is generalized. One user can make mutable rental information, and so can a manager. User has 5 attributes and 4 operations, and the landlord and tenant inherit the information upload operation and the pre-order operation of user respectively. There are 3 sequence diagrams. First, for landlord. Landlord upload rental information as the landlord. The users uploads the rental information to rental information center, which is then uploaded by managed by the manager. Second is the tenant. The tenant checked the rental information and leaves the message to make an appointment. Then the manager updates the rental information. Third, for manager. Manager view rental information and update or delete rental information. And here, manager can view the rental information. Okay, that's all.